Want to turn your passion for sports into a dynamic online magazine? Stick around to follow a step-by-step guide on building a visually appealing and functional sports magazine website using Adobe Dreamweaver. First, launch Adobe Dreamweaver and create a new HTML file. Define your website's structure using semantic HTML5 tags like header, nav, main, article, aside, and footer for a well-organized layout. Now, design your website's look and feel with CSS. Choose a color palette and typography that reflects the energy of sports. Use CSS Grid or Flexbox for a responsive layout that adapts to different screen sizes. Integrate high-quality sports imagery and videos. Use placeholder images initially and replace them with your own captivating visuals. Later, organize your content strategically, highlighting trending news and featured stories. Develop a user-friendly navigation system. Design a clear and intuitive menu to guide visitors through different sports categories and sections. Ensure smooth transitions between pages for a seamless browsing experience. Enhance user engagement by integrating social media feeds and comment sections. Encourage readers to share their opinions and connect with your content, thereby expanding your online community. And now, you've built your very own sports magazine website with Dreamweaver. Remember, this is just the beginning. Refine your design, update your content regularly, and promote your website to reach a wider audience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more web design tutorials.